Here with Tyler. Today we're going to be talking about fuel system troubleshooting. We're going to be looking at diagrams, relays, fuel pumps, and we're going to be talking about injectors as well.
Alright, now we're looking at a wiring diagram for 2006 Toyota Camry. The fuel injectors. It is the fuel injector fuse follows the path down to the fuel injectors, and then they're each grounded out to the ECM. Alright, now we're doing a resistance check on our fuel injector. We unplugged one of the fuel injectors. Right here we hooked up two of our wires to connect to the DVOM, and we're reading 14.5, so somewhere around there, and then we have a good injector. The fuel pump relay is powered by the ECM, which is right here. Sends power over to the fuel pump relay, which closes this switch right here, and it sends power back down here to the fuel pump, powering it on. Then this relay, the powertrain relay, sends power over to the fuel injectors to tell them when to fire. The first and easiest way to check to see if the fuel pump is working is when you turn the car on, you can listen to see if the fuel pump is kicking on. If it is not, then you know there's a bigger issue. If it kicks on, then you know that the fuel pump is working. Alright, now we are going to check the fuel sending unit to see if it's working properly. We're going to have the ohm meter on ohms, and as we lift the gauge, it'll go up and will show less resistance. So the lower the resistance, more fuel in the tank. The higher the resistance, less fuel in the tank. Alright, now we're going to check the power at the fuel pump by finding a good ground or using this black wire, which is the ground, and then putting a pin in the power spot on the fuel pump, and then holding our positive lead out there, and then we got our ground over here, and then he's going to turn the car on, and you'll see the reading jumps up to about 10.3 volts and then goes off. Alright, now we're performing a bench test on the fuel pump relay. Right now we have our wires hooked up to the switch side, which should be reading very minimal voltage, which is reading 35.4 millivolts. And then if I switch it to the load side, the coil side, it should read battery voltage right now. We're reading 13.4 volts, and this test is a good indicator. If the switch side is reading 2, 3, 4 volts, it would mean that your fuel pump relay is bad, so you wouldn't have to go any further in diagnosing the problem.